Here's why most SaaS companies fail in the first year. They build the wrong thing. Founders spend over $100,000 in 6 months building a product, then launch and nobody buys. The market didn't want it because they never validated their concept first. But successful founders follow a completely different process. They validate demand before building anything. Partner with technical experts who have done it 100 times, build an MVP in 45 days, and launch with real customers. No coding required, no tech team to manage, just a proven process and the right partner. I'm Tristan from Code Brew Labs. Over the past few years, we've partnered with over 100 founders across the US, UK, and Europe to launch successful SaaS companies. And here's what we've learned. The biggest barrier isn't the idea. It's not the market. It's not even your technical skills. The barrier is execution, knowing the exact steps to take in the right order without wasting months figuring it out or tens of thousands building the wrong thing. The founders making real money don't try to learn coding or manage developers. They partner with technical experts who have done it 100 times, so they can focus entirely on what makes money, customers, sales, and growth. In this video, I'm going to walk you through that exact process: how to validate your idea, build your MVP in 30 to 45 days, price to win, market it effectively, and scale it, all without touching a line of code. Let's start with the foundation. Before you spend $1 on development, you need to answer 2 questions. First, what problem does your SaaS solve? Second, who has this problem and how much will they pay? This is market research, and it's the step most founders skip. Start by searching for competitors, look at their pricing, read reviews, and find out what people love and complain about. Check the market size, 10,000 potential customers or 10 million. Big difference. Look for growth trends. At Code Brew Labs, we do this research with every founder before building anything. If the market doesn't exist, the product won't matter. Here's where most founders waste money. They build a product nobody wants. Validation means proving people will pay before you invest thousands in development. The moment someone pays you is the moment you have a business. Method 1. Create a wait list. Build a simple landing page and drive traffic through ads or social media. If 100 people see it and only 2 sign up, that's a problem. If 30 sign up, you're onto something. Method 2. Launch an early adopters program. Offer your software at 50% off for the first year. Money talks. If people won't pay $500 now, they won't pay $1,000 later. At Code Brew Labs, we validate ideas before building. We've validated over 100 SaaS concepts and saved founders from building products that would have failed. We only build what the market wants. Once validation proves demand, you need a prototype. A prototype shows what your product will look like and how it will work. Use a wireframe, a simple layout showing buttons, menus, and flows. Tools like Figma make this easy. When you work with developers, a wireframe communicates your vision clearly. After the wireframe comes the MVP, your minimum viable product. A working version with just enough features to solve the core problem. No fancy animations, just what's essential. Buffer launched with a page that scheduled 1 social media post. Airbnb started by listing the founder's apartment. Simple MVPs that prove demand. At Code Brew Labs, we turn validated ideas into working products in 30 to 45 days. Real, functional MVPs with clean code you own completely. We've built over 100, from simple tools to complex AI platforms. Launch fast, learn from users, iterate based on data. Pricing can make or break your SaaS business. Too high and people won't buy. Too low and you can't cover costs or scale. Here are the main models. Subscription-based, where customers pay monthly or annually like Netflix. Freemium, offering a basic version free and charging for premium features like Slack. Usage-based, charging based on consumption like Stripe. Flat rate, one price for everything like Notion, and per user pricing based on team size like Zoom. Research what competitors charge and make sure your price covers costs and generates profit. At Code Brew Labs, we help you implement any pricing model, billing systems, payment processing, subscription management. We handle the entire technical side. You've built the product. Now people need to find it. Partner with influencers, give them free access for reviews, or use affiliate marketing. Run paid ads on Facebook, LinkedIn, or TikTok. Offer free trials so people test your product. Create educational content to build authority. Feature customer testimonials because people trust reviews. This is where you own growth. At Code Brew Labs, we handle the product, you focus on customers and revenue. Here's where most founders get stuck. They think they need to hire a full tech team. Developers, designers, DevOps engineers, product managers, QA testers. That's expensive. A single senior developer costs $120,000 to $180,000 per year, plus benefits and recruiting time. And you need more than one developer to build and maintain a real SaaS product. Here's the truth. You don't need a tech team if you partner with the right people. At Code Brew Labs, we become your technical partner. We handle all the development, building your MVP, adding new features, fixing bugs, and scaling your infrastructure as you grow. We manage servers, handle updates, and make sure the technology never becomes a bottleneck. You focus on what matters, talking to customers, closing deals, and growing revenue. You can hire developers later if you want, but in the beginning, partnering with technical experts who have done this 100 times lets you move faster and cheaper. Our founders focus on the business. We focus on technology. That's the partnership model. You grow the business, we grow the product. AI is transforming SaaS, and we integrate AI features into every product we build. Over the past few years, we partnered with founders in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and across Europe. B2B SaaS, consumer apps, marketplaces, AI platforms, we've built it all. Our founders come from different backgrounds. Some are first-time entrepreneurs with an idea. Others are experienced business owners adding a SaaS product to their portfolio. Some have raised funding, others are bootstrapping. Here's what they all have in common. They had the business vision but not the technical expertise, and they didn't want to spend months learning to code or years managing a tech team, so they partnered with us. We handled the technology, they handled the business, and together we launched products that are making real revenue. Starting a SaaS company in 2026 is more accessible than ever. You don't need a technical background. You don't need to hire a full team. And you don't need venture capital to get started. You just need 3 things: a problem worth solving, customers willing to pay, and a partner to handle the technical execution. If you're serious about turning your SaaS idea into a real business, share your contact details with us using the link in the description to schedule a free strategy session. Once you do, someone from our team will personally reach out to you for a detailed, no-pressure discussion about your idea. We'll talk you through what's worth building, what might not be, and how quickly it makes sense to go to market. We'll walk you through our proven 45-day MVP launch process, explain exactly what we would build for you, and give you a clear roadmap so you know what the next steps actually look like. If you found this helpful, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and drop a comment to let me know your thoughts. I'm Tristan from Code Brew Labs, and if you're ready to turn your SaaS idea into a real revenue-generating product, we'd love to have that conversation with you. I'll see you in the next one.